Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the top 5 courses in web development, guys. So web development, even I'm not like good at web development, so I have only basic knowledge. So I did few research on these top 5 courses. So out of my research, I'm going to say I'm going to suggest these are top 5 courses, guys. So before getting video, like if you don't know, still if you like struggling like which domain to start your career, so I had made a video on the top 5 courses to start your career. So if you didn't watch the video, do watch the video. Link in icon description, guys. So click on those settings, do watch the video. In last video, we discussed about the artificial intelligence. So if you're a person who looking to start your career in AI, then you must watch that video, guys. So where I discuss about top 5 courses to start your career in AI, guys. I hope this, guys. So don't watch those video and come back to video, guys. So let's get started. So if you're a student working profession, you want to start your career in web development, then these are 5 courses, guys, which I want to suggest to everyone, guys. Let's get started. The first course in our list is the web developer camp, the web developer bootcamp, guys. So the important part of the course is they just cover all the basics of the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, guys. So the bootcamp, the course like they're just covering all the things which are web development, all the basic. They won't touch everything, guys. The best part about this course is that, so you might have heard like apart from this, when we go for outside course, this kind of courses, they cost around 10,000 USD dollars and to 20,000 USD dollars, guys. So the course just they're offering for $10. So it costs around like in Indian rupees cost around 800, like 760 to 800 rupees. So it's just 800, guys. So I would recommend if you want to start a career, this is the first course, guys. The one more thing important of this course is, guys, it's a unique way to design the course, guys. So you might have been attended few online classes where they just teach using the screens. They won't focus on much hands-on experience. The more in this photo, they just focus on the interact sections like giving assignments and then focusing on the projects and some research assignments. So it's like all round. It's like a combine of all type of things, guys. So I would recommend as a beginner you can just start learn this course as a first preference, guys. So this course available on Udemy. I'll be giving link in description. Click on those areas and you can get this course, guys. This is the first course in our list. Guys, that was the basic bootcamp course where they just teach all the basic HTML, CSS and Node.js, everything. So after completing basic, you just want to learn advanced level. There is one more course so called Advanced Web Developer Bootcamp. So same as that course, even this course is offered by the Udemy and the instructor or the bootcamp instructor. So I don't know how many for bootcamp. So bootcamp instructors are very, very fabulous, guys. They just teach awesome. So the way of teaching that is just fabulous. They just focus on the more like assignments, research assignments, guys. So this is the second list. So the best part of this course is, guys, they're focusing on React and then CSS, Fieldbox, animations, and then all those kind of like advanced level in HTML and web development, guys. So this is the second course I want to recommend everyone. So one more thing, guys, you will be building over like 10 projects, I guess. So there's a report. So they have around 10 projects. You just need to develop using this after completing the course. You just need to develop 10 projects, guys. It's the best part about this. So I always prefer one thing, guys. So instead of learning and mugging up the few courses, doing projects will just keep those things in your mind for lifelong, guys. That's why I want to suggest you. And even this course offering same way, which I'm thinking, guys. This is the second course I want to suggest with you. So yes, guys, we said those are the two like this, advanced and then beginner level, those are two. And then third course in our list is the complete web development 2.0. Yes, guys, so the best part of the course is they just combine both things. So beginner level, advanced level. They will be teaching with HTML, CSS and PHP basic level. So as another, they will be teaching you the advanced level like jQuery and then Bootstrap. So going to teach everything. They're going to teach all kind of basics and advanced level mingle in this course, guys. The best part about this course, they teach us you end-to-end development, like working on both client and server-side code, guys. So I didn't see any course like offering this kind of facility, guys. So you can grab this course and you can learn this, guys. So my request is first complete those the first course which I said. So that's a beginner level. So after complete, if you want to take advanced level course, you can take this course, guys. So this is a course. And even one more thing, that they are just focusing on the more advanced level projects like Twitter, Bootstrap. So they're just focusing on advanced level. As I said, like in this course, they're offering the client and server based more, guys. So I would recommend this course for if you want to start your web development. This is a tour in our list, guys. Yes, guys, those are 3 courses. Those are 3 called beginner level, and then a 4th course only JavaScript, guys. The course name called the complete JavaScript course, building a real world project, guys. So why I listed JavaScript in a list, like like the more powerful and crucial technology for building websites, JavaScript, guys. So that's the why I listed this course. So the best part of a course is that they just teach end-to-end of JavaScript, guys. Some basic to like advanced level, they're going to teach everything in JavaScript. So one more thing, best part, they're going to teach a framework called Node.js. So I don't know how come to Node.js. It's a framework for designing frameworks in the backend backend servers for building a websites. So just learning basic Node.js, it's going to help you to create a server using the JavaScript, guys. So these are 4 courses I want to suggest with you. As you know, like JavaScript, knowing JavaScript depth is going to helpful for designing the websites as you want, guys. So that's why the 4th in our list. So I know JavaScript crucial technology, that's the thing I added in this course. You might have seen so many courses in Udemy and Coursera. So after comparing all those courses, I feel this course is little more attractive and more interesting to students at beginner level, guys. That's the reason I attached this course, guys. That's the 4th course in our list, guys. The final course in our list is the complete guide to Angular. So even I don't know much about this Angular and Node.js. So like I don't know, I didn't even work on these courses. So I just had a research in the Google and then YouTube. So how did I made these courses? So the 5th course in our list is complete guide to Angular. So as you know, like I know about basics of Angular. So Angular is something, is a framework. So we cannot keep on just building websites, static website. We want to move to the dynamic websites. For dynamic, we just need to have some kind of frameworks. So for that, Angular is one of them. So Angular is in these courses, the best part about Angular is if you don't know about basics of Angular, they are going to teach from Angular 1 to Angular 2. So they are going to teach from scratch, guys. So that's why I want to recommend this course for the beginners, guys. Yes, guys, these are the 5 courses which are on my list. So as I said before, even I don't know much about program like web designing. So I know the basic building of the basic stuff I know about websites. I don't know about the Node.js, Angular. So out of my research, I've been listed these 5 courses. If you have any other courses in your mind, do comment in comment box. Let everyone know about the courses. And if you have links, you can put those links in link box in the chat box. So others, even you can send those links in Instagram. I just ping those links in my description so that everyone learn the courses, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. These are the 5 courses I want to recommend for as a beginner if you want to start a web development career. These are the 5 courses. I'll make one more video how to avail these courses in Udemy, guys. So as of now, if you want to add this thing in this video, it's going to be completely wrong video. That's the reason I didn't add that in this thing. So as soon as possible, I'll take one more video on how to subscribe those courses and how to start doing courses, guys. How to utilize them. I'll make one more video. Yes, guys, that's it for today's video. And then do subscribe my channel. It keeps motivation for me, guys. I have been keeping asking for last few videos. Do subscribe my channel and then do join your Discord channel, guys. So we have so many interesting stuff coming out there. Do join the Discord channel, guys. That's it for today's video. We'll meet you soon. Bye.